At Cat Institute of Technology, we like to keep on top of what's on fleek. But who keeps choking up the net with fairy cakes?
Ramen burgers? Green tea bagels? Please!
Ugh. Our varied diet is much more filter-worthy. Look, a mouth-watering morning pouch. 2 million likes, not bad. Steady, steady. A sprinkling of dry food throughout the day. And an evening pouch. That's some next-level interneting. Treats! Oh, weird robot arms, you shouldn't have. And that is how you win the internet. Hashtag Whiskas, hashtag Totes Delish, hashtag Cats Rule.